Good evening, everyone. I'm Shuchita Doss. I completed my MCA from Heritage Institute of Technology and I pursued my BCA from Heritage Academy. Right now, I am giving a test for Binaryfolks for the role Business Analyst. 1. Do you have any questions, specific skill which will be very useful specifically for the job role you have applied for? Yes, I do. Coming from a BCA and MCA background, I bring a solid foundation in both business and technology. For the business analyst role, I believe my strong analytical skills, hand-on experience with SQL, Excel, and my ability to translate business requirements into technical specifications will be particularly valuable. My technical understanding helps me to bridge the gap between developers and stakeholders efficiently. 2. If you are given a work which you really love to do, how many hours can you do it at a stretch? How many max hours can you do it in a week? If I love the work, I can easily focus for 6 to 8 hours at a stretch without feeling tired. In a week, I could do 60 to 70 hours comfortably as long as the work keeps me engaged. For me, when I enjoy the task, it doesn't feel like a burden, it feels like a challenge I want to complete. 3. What are your hobbies? I enjoy exploring new technologies, reading business case studies, and solving logical puzzles. I also like watching tech based documentaries and spending time in personal skill development, like working with data tools or experimenting with automation, Excel, or Python. These hobbies help me stay updated and sharp in my professional field. 4. How do you define success in your professional life? To me, success means consistently delivering value both professionally and personally and earning the trust of my team and clients. If I look back and see that I helped solve real problems, contributed meaningfully, and improved my skills over time, that's success for me. 5. How do you ideally spend a weekend? On a typical weekday, I start my day early with some light exercise and a healthy breakfast. After that, I go through my list and prioritize tasks. I prefer tackling the most important or demanding tasks in the first half of the day when I am the most productive. Throughout the day, I organize all my works and maintain clear communications with everyone. I take short breaks to stay fresh and focus on delivering high quality work, that is studying and doing projects. After work, I spend time reviewing the day, doing some light reading or walking or learning something new related to analytics or tech, and unwinding with music and a short walk. 6. How do you ideally spend a weekend? On weekends, I try to balance relaxation and productivity. I usually catch up on personal development like learning a new data tool or watching industry videos. I also spend time with family and friends, go out for a meal, or enjoy a good movie. Sometimes I review my week's performance and plan for the next one. 7. Describe one of the biggest qualities for which you have received appreciation from others, from whom and when. One quality I have often been appreciated for is my attention to detail. During my MCA final year project, my guide appreciated how I not only completed the assigned task but also identified logical errors in the data flow diagrams which others missed. This helped improve the final output significantly. 8. Describe one of your biggest shortcomings. Be truthful, don't sugarcoat. From whom and when. One shortcoming I have worked on is overthinking small decisions, especially when starting a new project. In one of my group projects during MCA, my team pointed out that I spent too much time trying to make every component work perfectly before moving on. While my intention was quality, it slowed down progress. Since then, I have learned to balance perfection with efficiency by setting time limits and focusing on delivering results iteratively. 9. Who all are there in your family and describe what they do professionally in detail. In my family, we are 4 members: my father, mother, brother, and me. My father is a businessman, my mother is a housewife, my brother works in an MNC, and I recently completed my MCA. What do 10. What do binary folks do and when? and how this company started. Binaryfolks is a custom software development company that provides SaaS development, enterprise-grade solutions, and digital transformation services primarily for clients in the USA, UK, Australia, and Europe. It was started in 2012 by a team of professionals with prior experience in companies like Google and Amazon. Binaryfolks focuses on quality, client satisfaction, and custom solutions built specifically to address each business's unique challenges. 11. Why do you want to join Binaryfolks? I want to join Binaryfolks because of its strong reputation for high quality custom software solutions, global clientele, and a culture that values innovation and learning. As a business analyst, I have the opportunity to interact with international clients, understand real business needs, and help create products that matter. I also admire the company's transparent and practical approach to solve business problems. 12. Where do you see yourself 2 years down the line? In 2 years, I see myself becoming a core business analyst handling independent client interactions, preparing comprehensive business requirement documents, and helping team deliver successful software solutions. I also aim to deepen my understanding of product strategy and user experience. 13. Where do you see yourself 5 years down the line? In 5 years, I aim to be a senior business analyst managing larger projects, mentoring junior BAs, and contributing to the company's strategic decisions. I want to bridge the gap between business and tech at a more impactful level. 14. Where do you see yourself 10 years down the line? 10 years down the line, I want to be in a leadership role, possibly as a chief product officer or strategy head, where I can influence product direction, client relationships, and company growth. I would love to combine business insight and technology to drive innovation at scale. 15. What is your opinion about work from office versus work from home? If you are asked to pick one, which one will you pick and why? Both work from home and work from office have their strengths. Work from home offers flexibility, better time management, and can lead to increased productivity for focused tasks. However, work from office brings better team collaboration, faster communication, and stronger bonding, especially in roles like business analyst where coordination and brainstorming are frequent. If I had to choose between one, I would pick work from office because it improves real-time communication and teamwork. It gives me better exposure to the company's culture and mentorship opportunities, especially at an early stage in my career. Being around experienced professionals helps me learn more and grow faster. 16. If you are given the option to pick any city from where you want to work for the next 5 years, which would be your dream city and why? I would choose Kolkata as my dream city for the next 5 years as it's my hometown. So I have a strong emotional connection and support system here. Kolkata is growing as a tech hub with developments in Salt Lake Sector 5 and Newtown, making it ideal for IT roles. Additionally, the cost of living is relatively low compared to other metros, and the city has a rich cultural backdrop, making it balanced for work and life. Working from Kolkata also allows me to stay close to my roots while contributing to the local tech ecosystem. 17. Product A analysis. 17.1 question. Describe product A logically step by step. Product A is a SaaS platform designed for enterprise level task management, team collaboration, and performance analytics. Here's a logical flow. 1. Dashboard centric UI with modules for projects, tasks, timelines. 2. Multi roles login. Super admin, company admin, and end user. 3. Subscription based access. Companies subscribe and configure access for their employees. 4. Team management. Admins can create teams, assign roles. 5. Task tracking. Tasks can be created, assigned, monitored. 6. Analytics, real-time progress, productivity metrics. 7. Permissions, customizable based on user roles. Question 17.2. What is the main purpose of Product A? The main purpose of Product A is to streamline enterprise operations by offering a centralized platform for task delegation, collaboration, and performance monitoring with scalable role-based access. Question 17.3. What is the USP of Product A? Its USP is the intuitive role-based workflow system that adapts to different industries and offers real-time analytics for decision makers, making it suitable for small startups and large enterprises. Question 17.4. Features of productive. User management and team hierarchy, task creation and assignment, role-based access controls, notification systems, file uploads within tasks, KPI analytics, dashboard, project level and organization level reporting, feedback loops, comments, approvals, integrations, emails, Slacks, etc. Question 17.5. Super admin user journey. 1. Logins in via user login portal. Logins in via secure login portal. 2. Sets up organization categories. 3. Manages client subscriptions. 4. Creates organization admins. 5. Tracks global platform performance. 6. Generates bills and usage reports. 7. Manages API and integrations. Question 17.6. Subscribing company admin journey. Receives invitation and logins. 2. Set up company profile. 3. Invites team members. 4. Creates team or projects. 5. Assigns tasks. 6. Reviews project progress. 7. Uses reports to track team performance. Question 17.7. End user journey. Logs in, view dashboard, assign tasks and deadlines, uploads deliverables or submit reports. 4. Comments or communicate on tasks, mark completion, receives performance feedback from admin. Question 18. Feedback on Binaryfolks ad video. Question 18.1. New radical thought for Binaryfolks service ad. Idea. Storytelling based video. Follow a real client's journey from business struggles to partnering with Binaryfolks and transforming through custom software. Include actual metrics before or after. Use animation and interviews. Make it human-centered rather than tech-centered. End with a strong call to action. Question 18.2. High-level suggestions. Include a clear client success story with data. Reduce generic buzzwords and show actual project impact. Add subtitles for better global reach. Have a concise why Binaryfolks section in the first 30 seconds. Question 18.3. Low-level suggestions with timestamps. 0:15 to 0:30 the text appears too fast. Slow it slightly for better readability. 0:45 replace stock images with real office clips or teamwork visuals. 1:20 seconds to 1:35 seconds. Include client testimonials or voiceovers here. End 1:50 seconds. CTA text can be more bold and engaging. Question 19. Sales and campaign strategy for custom software development clients. Question 19.1. Outbound campaign. Low cost, less mistargeting. Medium. LinkedIn, email outreach, webinars. Approach. Industry specific messaging, pain point solving. Content tone. Consultative, clear ROI benefits, not salesy. Example. Digital transformation for logistics firms. Cut delivery costs by 25% with a tailored platform. Question 19.2. Inbound campaign. Medium, SEO, optimized blog, LinkedIn articles, Quora or Reddit engagement. Approach. Educational problem solving. Tone. Informative and expert-like, not promotional. Example. Case studies, ROI calculators, how X company scaled with a custom CRM. Question 19.3. Company shortlisting logic from 1 million to 200, 1 million to 500K. Remove companies less than 10 employees or less than 3 years old. Use Crunchbase LinkedIn. 500K to 100K. Keep those with 1 million revenue or tech budget. Use Euler or DNB. 10K, 100K to 10K. Filter by job postings for dev roles or CTO or CIO presence. LinkedIn, Glassdoor. 10K to 1K. Manual website review for digital readiness. Signs of legacy systems. 1K to 200. Deep audit of interviews, press releases, funding announcements, indicating need for digital transformation. Thank you.